Alright guys, the only people who are going to see this video is going to be on my Facebook page and anybody that's on my MeWe private page. I'm going to spend the day getting everything organized. The ammunition crisis is still upon us, but as you see, I'm organizing all of my dots. And yes, all these black ones are CH4D and they're all in real unusual calibers. And I got everything organized. I'm going through. I'm going to organize what kind of brass I have. And then probably coming up in the next few months, I'll be trying to form some brass and make some different cases for the 6-point or the Swiss Vetterli I've been asked for, the Italian Vetterli I've been asked for, the Dutch Beaumont, the Kropacek or Kropacek 8mm. I found stuff for that. And also probably the 8x50R. I've been looking at what I had to do that. And also the 6.5 Dutch. Because I'll show you what I found when I was rooting around. Alright, we'll go into what we got. Brand new 8mm Lebel brass. That's going to be for the Swiss Vetterli and the Italian Vetterli. So I'm getting it all organized and put together. 348 Winchester centerfire. Got a little less than 200 here, but there's an awful lot of these old cartridges you can make out of this. And these things are expensive. They're probably up close, if you can find them, close to $2 a rattle now. But found some of those. 7.62 by 54 Mosin Nagant. Don't have a ton of them, but I can use that to make the 8x50, or I can use the 8x56R, but again, I'm kind of lacking. So making that cartridge, the 8x50R out of this, may be a little problematic. I may have to scrounge up some more brass. Alright, we have a box of brand new Starline 4590. This is used for the Russian Baradin, and my buddies up there in Canada come up with a way where I can make 43 Mauser out of this. I'm going to start experimenting. So we have enough and we're ready to go. Also, talking Starline, I have found my other box of 5090. Getting a little spotted from sitting up there that long. This is what I use to make the Dutch Beaumont. And as you see, maybe we'll start cranking out some of this also. And last but not least, this giant, I found I had an excess of 303 British. The Winchester, as is good to make the 6.5 Dutch. The PPU can be problematic. It may have to be turned and worked on, but I got more than enough to crank out some 6.5 Dutch if I can get powder and primers. So that's going to be another one on there. Okay, so that's it for my spring cleanup, but it looks like with everything being at a standstill and all the weird stuff going on, I'm going to have a chance to try to take a crack at some of them calibers, or at least make the brass. I know people have been asking me for components. I'm going to try to form some brass and maybe get some ammo out, but it's not going to be anything in large quantities or anything like that. But I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Contact me either on the private page or send me an email. I'll start figuring out who wants what and see what I can come up with. Okay, just be patient and we'll see.